I'm Melanie Shimano. I'm the Data Automation and Technology Analyst at the Department of General Services. And that means I'm in charge of a lot of data analysis in terms of communicating data to managers to make them more efficient. That also means I'm in charge of working in Integrify, working towards our goal of being paperless in the next 4 years. Integrify is great. It's really nice because it's pretty easy to kind of start working with. I think one of the things that we noticed when we built out these processes in Integrify was that like the building in Integrify was the easy part. The hard part was trying to understand what these processes were, try to understand who should actually get these approvals, like try to understand why these approvals were set in place, why this paper needed to get to 5 different people in one division and only need to go to 2 people in the other division. People were really receptive to using Integrify. I don't think we had any major pushback from anyone. We were really conscious about how we wanted to roll out the system and how we were doing it, and that meant first making sure that the processes were kind of foolproof. And so before we made the processes live, we had a small group of people for each process to kind of be initial testers and have them work through the system, so then to work out some of the major kinks and any kind of major routing issues or notification issues. And then we put together like presentations and handbooks for people to use, kind of mapped out, if you're in this specific role, this is the path these are the tasks that you'll need to do. If you're in this specific role, you're going to need to be doing these approvals, and this is how you're going to do it. So we set up a bunch of sessions that were most convenient for everyone's time. Everyone was able to kind of see the big picture and understand what Integrify does in general, what we wanted to do with it, and where our goal is to go in the next 4 to 10 years with paperless in general. And I think that helped people understand, like, this is what the system is about. We're not trying to just change things to change things. We're trying to change things to make them better. I think my favorite thing about Integrify is having that end product and being able to like deliver it to people. In terms of like very specific things within Integrify, I think the ease of using it in general is one of the best components of it. Because then that way, not only do we like have something that's easy for someone to use, but we have something that's easy for someone to build. I think there are a lot of things out there. There are a lot of like systems out there that people are trying to like build from the ground up and be like, oh, we can code this, we can do all this stuff. But if you don't have to do all that, then it makes it a lot easier. And then you can kind of like move forward a lot faster than you would have initially planned.